family? Black Phoenix checking in, man. Just pulling up to this job site. About to go in, make a few things happen. Yesterday, well, yesterday evening, I actually moved my RV to a different spot. Um, been at the same spot for 2 years, so I thought it was time to move around a little bit, change the scenery. Got a cool little spot though. I like where it's at. I'll probably be here in this spot a little while. Um, Actually, I was just thinking, man, how if we learn how to just keep things simple sometimes, like with finances, with the way we think, and how we spend our money, a lot of times we'll spend money just to impress someone that we don't even like. You know what I mean? I know you done did that. Don't say you haven't did it. Oh, man, I'm going to come down. Ooh, wait till they see me in this new truck, or wait till they see me. Man, fuck them. You know what I'm saying? Take care of you, man. No need to go and get all this stuff and then you in debt secretly. You and your spouse secretly arguing and having bad communication because y'all went over your head just so you can make someone look good. Don't do that, man. Save yourself that stress, bro. I'm gonna just keep it real with you. Do what you got to do out here, man. This is 2019, and things are most definitely gonna get harder before they get easier. So we have to keep in mind the whole time you're working on the job, that job can be replaced. Things can happen. So always have you a plan. I'm going to say Z. You need to have from A to Z. You need to always be thinking of ways to improve and better your situation, or even while you winning in this situation. Always have another plan, man, another source of income coming in, because you can't depend on things all the time. People change, jobs change, the economy change, so you have to benefit off a situation, but don't wrap your whole life around it and then it falls through and you're like, damn. That's why I like being a hustler. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to go knock on my own doors. I had a guy ask me, man, why you ain't never joined the union? I was like, because I'm a hustler. I don't need to pay them to find no work for me. I'm going to find work for myself. I'm going to put my resumes out there. I'm going to throw out ads. I'm going to knock on doors. I'm going to do a job for someone who might tell a friend and open up another door. That's what I believe in. And you have to be independent like that. You have to think like that. You have to think like a go-getter. You know what I mean? Now, don't get me wrong. To each his own. Everybody don't have that in them. But to you, who watching this video and do have that go-getter spirit in you, never stop grinding. Even once you got a door. I mean, I heard this one entrepreneur say, he said, even while you found this great opportunity, he said, oh, this is it. Be looking for another one. Because you don't know how long this is it is going to last. Hold on.